Hey there, and welcome to today's video. If you've ever wanted to control who can challenge you in games on the chess.com app for Android, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the exact steps to customize your challenge settings easily so you can enjoy a more personalized play experience. First, open the chess.com app on your Android phone. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the More button. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. Now, tap on Allow Challenges. Finally, choose one of the available options: Everyone, Friends Only, or Nobody, depending on your preference for who can send you game challenges. Once selected, your new challenge settings will be saved automatically. That's it. You've now successfully controlled your play challenge preferences. Thanks for watching. Adjusting your challenge settings helps you stay focused and enjoy your chess games without distractions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe